What is up, guys, and welcome back again to another video reaction. It's me again, Kimpoy Midos, and if you're new to my blog, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you will get updated in case that I have a new video reaction. So for today's video, we're going to react again to one of the best Malaysian singer and the queen of Malaysian singer. She's also known as the voice of Asia, and that is Siti Nurhaliza. So we're going to react on this cover version, and this is entitled Set Fire to the Rain by Siti Nurhaliza. I'm so excited, guys, because it's been 3 weeks ago since the last time I make a reaction video to the queen of Malaysian singer. So for today's video, I'm going to react now, okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's jump into the video. Let's go. Wow.
My heart has to fill your rose clay. It was time,
Wow.
and I was.
Yeah, though the video is not clear, but the voice is, you will identify that this is Siti Nurhaliza.
Over until you kiss my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms.
Wow.
Without
As always, Siti Nurhaliza has shown, her versatility and, her beautiful voice, lovely voice in this performance. Let's continue.
falling to your feet, but there's a side to you that I never know. All the things you say that will never true, and the games you play, you would always win. But
So, by the way, this one is Secretary's Week 2012 at Persada Johor International Convention Center. Okay.
I set fire
Wow.
to the rain. Watch your heart fly, put your face. Let it burn like fire. I heard you screaming up your name.
I think this song is like my third time to listen to an English song from Siti Nurhaliza. I'm not sure. Yeah, that would be the third time.
Your name.
Wow. Beautiful.
With you, I could stay there. Close my eyes, feel you here. Forever, you and me together, nothing's better.
As always, the voice quality of Siti Nurhaliza is, is there. Is there. What I mean is that she's incomparable when it comes to her voice quality. So let's continue.
'Cause there's a side to you that I never know. All the things you say, you were never true, and the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain.
I see one of the comment here on the comment section. She said that when Siti Nurhaliza singing, it's very clean. Yes, it's indeed, guys. It's very clean, guys. You will notice that the song is not oversang. It was really flawless and clean.
Watch your heart fly, put your face. Let it burn like fire. 'Cause I heard you screaming up your name. I set fire to the rain and into the flame.
Wow, she has she has this very wide range. She can able to sing when it comes to mellow or relaxing song or emotional song. The other Nurhaliza, you will observe that one, guys, and when she's going to sing like this one, like an upbeat song, you will notice different side of Siti Nurhaliza. if you're going to listen to this one, try to use your headphone, guys, so you will feel, the voice of Siti Nurhaliza. It is really important, guys. So you better, you can easily to react on her voice, and that's I think what I really feel about the performance of Siti Nurhaliza on this one. You know what I observe also in myself, while listening to Siti Nurhaliza, I always have this smile, beautiful smile. It's because, it makes me relax. The effect of voice of Siti Nurhaliza to me was kind of different, guys, because maybe she has this very nice tone and beautiful voice. It's orgasm. I think that's the word. Wow, sustained and going up. Oh my gosh, that's different level of Siti Nurhaliza. Woo, you hear that? Lady. That was really nice. Wow, sustained and high notes. That's mixed. Oh my goodness. It's really good. Oh my goodness. Yes. Yes. This is what I really wanted. That's why I'm thinking this day, guys, if I'm going to react to Siti Nurhaliza, because I'm looking actually for an English song, so I can hear, the different side, the other side of Siti Nurhaliza, because it's given already, guys. She can sing an emotional song, or a song from their language, and that is from Malaysia. And that's why I'm looking for the any English songs, because I want to hear also the other side of Siti Nurhaliza. As I said earlier, there's like a two type of the different type of voice of Siti Nurhaliza, which is going to sing an emotional song. It's like I observed something different to her voice. That was really relaxing and soothing. But when she sing the other song like this one, and a little bit upbeat, but still, relaxing and soothing voice, you will observe something different from Siti Nurhaliza when she veld, or when she hit a high notes, then sustain, and you will feel everything, guys. That she really love what she's doing on the stage, and that's what I really enjoy watching the voice of Siti Nurhaliza. And as again, guys, if you have some requests, you can just comment down below, and I will read that comment, and I will assure you that if give it a chance, I will do another reaction video, guys. Just comment down below, and if you have some requests, guys, okay. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, so you will get updated in case that I have a new video reaction. And don't forget also to subscribe to Siti Nurhaliza. And that's all for today's, guys, and see you again on my next video reaction to Siti Nurhaliza. Bye.